Bo 1 form, the second section, section 2 out of 3 sections we're going to have in this form. We just finished with the second horse stance thrust, going north, going to where our first bad guy was. The next move, my left leg slides, kind of steps behind me into a back stance. As it does that, I'm going to sweep the floor with that front tip right there, that right tip that's at the end of my right hand. Sweep the floor and come up here in a stick block. Right in front of me now, I'm facing the back side here, right behind where I started facing. Then my right foot, my front foot shifts over to a front stance, overhead strike. I've got 2 steps more going this way, and each one of them is going to be a side strike. So since my left hand's back here, it's going to push out first. As I step with my left foot, there's one side strike. We're going sideways here to the ribs, not up high to the head, just straight to the rib. Then one more as my right foot steps, right hand pushes out. There's my second side strike. From here, I'm going to shift to a different angle, going sideways. So if I started off pointing north, and now I'm facing south, my next few moves over here are going east, straight to my right, from where I started. Now to my left. Left leg steps behind me into a front stance. The bow will come into my stomach and push up for a high lock. I'll step my left foot up, feet together, bring the bow into my stomach so it's out of the way. Right foot does the next 2 kicks. Front kick, step it down in front, then do a jump front kick with the one where the back foot goes up first. Jump front kick, when this foot lands after that kick, overhead strike. One more time real quick from the start of this second section. I was at that horse stance thrust. Left leg steps behind. I'm making like a sweeping motion on the floor to come up here in a stick block. Notice the stick block is not straight up and down with the stick. It's at an angle. Okay. Here now I'm facing straight to the back. Shift the front foot over to a front stance. Overhead strike. Step, left side strike. Step, right side strike. Left leg shifts behind me. High lock. Step up, front, jump front. When that foot lands, overhead smash. Watch one time from over my shoulder. So if we started the beginning of the form facing this way, we would be right about here now at that thrust. So now sweeping the floor, left leg stepping behind me, stick block, shift, overhead strike. Step the back foot forward, side strike 1, side strike 2. Left leg is going to shift behind me this way so I can turn. Boom. There you go. High lock. Step up, feet together, bring the bow in, front, jump front, overhead smash. That's Bo 1, section number 2.